Unboxed is an artist book that unravels the past while telling a story of movement and preserving printed objects. The act of keeping and storing exposes a level of value. Boxes have enabled this accumulation. Unboxing is an opportunity for inquiry and elimination. After 4 moves over 10 years, these objects were photographed after being unpacked. Many were sealed for a year, or some for several years. The adhesive has evaporated on some. Most were haphazardly labeled and taped. They were unboxed one at a time. Assorted printed matter from inside the boxes has either been sorted, reshuffled, reprinted, scanned, or put away in drawers, but most of it will be recycled. It is a pause to honor the box as a container for printed matter. This copious cardboard object transports materials as life transitions force one to consolidate, purge, and repurpose. This unplanned mixing and merging of printed matter, make-readies, posters, scraps, offcuts, extra pages from runs of artist books, posters, zines, commissions, mishaps, and unfinished projects became a flow of curious visuals. This book has been a method to comb through evidence of a creative process. Like the make-ready, the boxes themselves imply another time, place, or activity. This story hints toward an empty box becoming a part of the archive. The sequencing in this 64-page book was constructed based on the arrangement of the boxes within each other when unboxed. Assorted paper, remainders, mistakes from past projects, and failed attempts are used throughout this edition. Past collaborators whisper here and there. Each book is unique, as they are not all printed on pieces that are multiples. The photographs were run through the software processing using code developed and generously shared by Q Hashim. In 2018, I was introduced to this process at the magical Rizo meeting at the Jan van Eyck Academy in the Netherlands. This book, in an edition of 55, was produced on a Risograph SF 5450 using mostly charcoal ink by Tricia Treacy during the snowy winter of 2020-2021 in New Hampshire. It was released in late February 2021 at the Printed Matter Virtual Art Book Fair.